everybody, it's Sarah back with Made in Minutes. I know I've taken some time off, but I am back, baby, with a ton of brand new DIYs to share with you. So from my little craft studio, I am going to be doing a DIY no-sew dog bed today. Okay, this is what you're going to need in order to complete this project today. You're going to need a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, a couple of yards of fleece fabric from your local fabric store. You can use an old pillow to fill your dog bed, or if you're extra thrifty like me, you're going to take a mattress topper that's just been sitting in your closet collecting dust and cut it down. I highly recommend this actually if you have a big dog, because you can make one big pillow for your dog to hang out on. I have a medium-sized dog, so the pillow might work, but like I said, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the mattress topper thing. So if you're like me and you're going to be doing the mattress topper option, you're going to want to use a turkey carver. Yes, this is an electric turkey carver to cut out your mattress topper. It's really, really easy. Just turn it on somehow. How do you turn this on? I carve turkey every year and now I can't remember how to turn it on. That's silly. Oh, you just... All right, so I've got my turkey carver here and I'm gonna just use the line that I've made as a guide. And go away. You can also use the side of the table as a straight edge. It makes it a little bit easier. There you have it. Boom. So easy to use. Here's the next step. You're going to want to go ahead and take your fabric and drape it over the top of your dog bed. I'm doing this because I'm actually going to measure 5 inches from the base of the dog bed along the fabric and make a mark. Now you can mark it with pins, you can mark it with chalk. I just went ahead and did a good old-fashioned permanent marker because it was easy for me to see and it was quick for me to grab. So after you've made several of those marks, you're going to go on ahead and cut. One side is done. I'm going to do this for the next 3 sides. So I've chosen a contrasting fabric for the bottom side of my bed, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing. Measure 5 inches from the base of the bed along the fabric and make a mark all the way around. Now it's time to sandwich the two together. So I've got my fun, busy fabric underneath. I've got my accent fabric on top. They've been cut perfectly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just make some strips so I can tie the 2 pieces. You want them to be about 1.5 inches wide. I like to just take my 2 fingers and measure that way. It makes it really easy. If you'd like to go ahead and measure all of it before cutting them all, you can certainly do that as well. So I'm taking both pieces, taking my 2 fingers, measuring the width, and cutting until you meet the edge of the mat. So at the end of each row, you're gonna wanna cut out a small square. That just keeps you from having too much fabric to deal with. What I went ahead and did is I measured with my measuring tape 3 inches out from the corner and just eyeballed a nice little square piece there to take out. All right, all of my sides have been cut into these fun little strips. Now it's time for me to just tie them together in knots. Here it is, the finished product of the DIY dog bed. If I need to wash it for any reason, I'm just gonna untie one of the sides, pull out the filling, and throw it in the washing machine. It's as easy as that. It took me, I don't know, like 35 minutes to make, which I think is super fast, and I was able to use something in my house that I had already. I love reusing things and repurposing things. So I hope you try this. Please let me know if you do. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.